We are now going to take a look at the Bitcoin price and if it's a good time to buy or if we should wait. Also, later in the video, I will show you a better way how you can invest without need to think too much about the price market and all these type of things. So first take a look here now. So as you can see, my trend line is still staying strong. We came exactly up to it here and we see that we got a small refusement, so it's still too early. We need him to take a test and start to have a little movement over. I also think, if we can see here now, let's make one more line. I think I want to make it here. I think I would like to cross this line here before I really believe that will start to move upwards. So for now, for Bitcoin, I would wait. I would not invest yet. We can still get some traction down. Of course, down here, I would want to collect a little bit. So let's see. If you come down here again, I probably will buy some more Bitcoin. I will also leave a link below the video for the broker that I am using when I'm buying and selling Bitcoin. But now let's go into something that is a little more easier. If you're a beginner and you don't know when to buy and sell, and you don't want to be seeing videos all the time and maybe take wrong decisions, because I can do mistakes also. I do what I'm doing. I'm buying and holding. But most of the people, they just want to make fast profit or they want to make daily profit. And then mining might be the more safe thing for you, because it's a long time investment. So what you can do with mining is that when you are buying and selling, well, you don't need to think about it. You buy one time a miner, or you can upgrade the miner, up to you. And if you want to sell everything you're making, you're still making from that one miner, so you take advantage for a longer time. So that's why I keep to GoMining. GoMining is the safest place to be mining Bitcoin on the cloud. So what you do, you can see, for example, here now, I just have a small miner, like a $80 miner, little more. So you can see I'm making 0.43 GoMining token. You can see the cost is 0.20 and service is 0.12. So we can say I'm making just a 0.09 token. But do you know what? It's reinvestment going all every day, and what are you expecting from a so small investment? So what you do, you go here, we go to create miner. Okay, so you can see a miner that is a little bigger than mine. You see 479 will cost you, you can call this $100, but then you're making a safe money every single day. Yes, it probably will take a little time before you get your money back, but this is safe money. And here's the kicker. If you hold your crypto or reinvest it, so you can grow your miner, so everything you make you put back into the mine, so you grow your mining capacity. When Bitcoin start to have this higher value, you can thank yourself, your future self, that you're making this passive income from that miner. Of course, you can also take out everything. You even have the possibility to get a credit card that you can use everything you're making here with your credit card. How cool is that? So I will leave a link below the video also to GoMining. This will be now more like a daily video that I'm making. You see my total reward is $1.55. So I have not been doing this so much, but also I need to say some of this money that is made is from referrals. I just have one, so it's nothing crazy because I just recently started. But the thing is, this is the place to go if you want to get started with mining with Bitcoin. Because if you want to have this crazy loud miner song, go for it. But this is the safe way for someone like you and me that don't want to be messing around with keeping all these things running. And then you think, is it fair that I'm paying this service fee and this electricity? Of course, if you're home, you need to take care of this. And service, probably you don't even know how to do the service yourself. So you need to send it in. And if you send it in for people to fix it for you, you're also losing the mining while it's being repaired. And trust me, there will be many things going wrong. So this is the best way for people like you and me to make money with Bitcoin without need to think about when to buy and when to sell. So I'll leave a link below. Use also the promo code Alpha1, all caps letters, so you can take best advantage. So you get 5% extra on your first miner you buy. This will make big difference for you. If you're buying a bigger one or smaller one, you get a little extra on it. So with that, have an amazing day.